Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. So now we are going to see how a doctor can actually set their time off in the system. Time off means if you are on vacation or if you are not able to do the consulting for a single day, more than one day or a couple of weeks, you can always set your availability in NiftyHMS system. So as a doctor, once you log in, go to appointment from the left menu, click on schedule setup. Then once you land on schedule setup, just below the timing setup, there is an add holiday option. So over here in add holiday, you can set up a date and time to set your holiday. So you might have just one single day holiday, and you can just add the same start date and end date in the fields over here. If you have multiple holidays, you would add more than one days from start date to end date as a holidays, and that would actually help you to define multiple days in holidays. So now we're going to just select 10th of June, then define end date. So if it's just a couple of hours, you can just uncheck all day, or if it is the whole day, you can also check the whole day. So checkbox on whole day, you can just add it as, and then so we just change it to July now. So 1st July to 31st July, the whole month is the time off we are setting up now. So once you add this holiday, there won't be any consulting happening. So previous holiday list as also appears just below the add form. You can always delete any previous records if you want. So that's also available. It will give you the option to whether you want to delete or not. So from the same schedule setup page, you can also add the holidays, and this will help the patients to book a time slot that when you are available. So this is very useful feature. If as a doctor you are on holiday, this can be a lifesaver. Thank you for watching the video.